Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use both and if formula. That means when we have two conditions, take for example, if a student is from Oxford College and he is doing masters, that means we can call him Oxonian, else he is not an Oxonian. Okay, there are two conditions we are testing. That means the student must be from Oxford, then he must do or he must be pursuing masters. Then we can call him one Oxonian. Okay, else that means he is not an Oxonian. Okay, how we can do this? Equal to, in Excel, when we write formula, it must start with equal to. First we will write and. Okay, and first logical test, that is called if the student is from Oxford, equal to, within bracket we will write Oxford. Okay, then next logical series, the logical test, that is called masters. That means this degree we are taking. First one is this college we discussed, that is the student must be from Oxford, then he must be doing masters. Okay, then this equal to, then we can write masters, M-A-S-T-E-R, masters, bracket close. Okay, so these are the two conditions we are testing here. Then we can close the bracket, then we can. So that means it is false. That means the student is from Oxford, but he is not doing master. Therefore, the statement, that conclusion is, that is false. So these are the two tests we are testing here, two logical tests. One is the college, another is degree. The college must be from Oxford and the degree must be masters. Then we can call the student one Oxonian. Therefore, it is called the false. Okay. Then we can see. So here we have, you can see, logic true. This you can see. So the student is from Oxford College and he is doing masters. Therefore, it is true. Okay. But what we want to use some custom test here. Instead of writing this false and true, what we will write, that we will call the student as Oxonian or not a Oxonian. In that case, what we will do, you can see, first we will write if. Okay, this is the conditions. Then at the end, this we will continue with this logical test one, then value if true, if false. Okay, so we have written here. Then what we will do here, comma, we write Oxonian, okay, within double quote, because this is text. Okay, then not a or Oxonian. Okay, we can write bracket close. So we have got, that means the person is not one Oxonian, that because the person is from the student is from Oxford but is not doing masters. Accordingly we can do. Okay, not one Oxonian. Here you can see this is one Oxonian. Okay, this Oxford, you can see the combinations here. So basically when we are using custom text, we use if, and this is the logic, that and multiple conditions are tested at the same time. Okay, so in that case, when we use and, the result was true or false. But in order to use a custom text, we have to write if. Okay, that's for the lessons. I'll see you in the next one.